Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is Science and Technology. Railway Previous Year Question Paper. Mainly NTPC. Let's start. The first question. Which of the following is the third generation fire and forget anti-tank guided missile that was successfully flight tested by DRDO? Option A. Helena. Option B. SAND. Option C. MPATGM, Man-Portable Anti-Tank Guided Missile. Option D. SAMHO. The correct option is option C. MPATGM, Man-Portable Anti-Tank Guided Missile. Which of the following is a multi-barrel rocket system developed by DRDO? Option A. Trishul. Option B. Pinaka. Option C. Prithivi. Option D. Dhanush. The correct option is option B. Pinaka. Which of the following is a supersonic cruise missile? Option A. Akash. Option B. Trishul. Option C. Prithivi. Option D. BrahMos. The correct option is option D. BrahMos. Which of the following nations developed the eco-friendly rocket Angara? Option A. Russia. Option B. Pakistan. Option C. India. Option D. USA. The correct option is option A. Russia. Which was the first vehicle to soft land safely on the surface of Moon? Option A. Luna 9. Option B. Ranger 6. Option C. Sputnik 25. Option D. Apollo 17. The correct option is option A. Luna 9. What is the nickname given to ISRO's most powerful rocket, GSLV Mk3? Option A. Fat Boy. Option B. Naughty Boy. Option C. Fat Man. Option D. Naughty Man. The correct option is option A. Fat Boy. Nirbhay missile has a strike range of option A. 500 km. Option 2. 200 km. Option C. 100 km. Option D. 1000 km. The correct option is option D. 1000 km. Which is India's longest range ballistic missile? Option A. Nag missile. Option B. Akash 3. Option C. Agni V. Option C. BrahMos. The correct option is option C. Agni V. Which supersonic cruise missile is named after the Indian river Brahmaputra and the Russian river Moskva? Option A. Mosputra. Option B. Mosbrahma. Option C. Putramos. Option D. BrahMos. The correct option is option D. BrahMos. Which of the following missile developed by DRDO in an air-to-air missile? Option A. Akash. Option B. Prithivi. Option C. Astra. Option D. Agni. The correct option is option C. Astra. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.